Hello, my name is Lukman, and you're welcome to my channel, Smart Idea TV, where we look at how to make money online and offline. And today, I want to look at uh, the simple way to make money from turning your images to video. And this is especially for photographers. I receive a lot of questions from uh, photographers who ask me how they can, whether it is possible to turn uh, pictures or images to video. And I've been answering, I give them a lot of answers, but today I just want to make it into a video so that a lot of people can go on and benefit from that. Before I continue, if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing to this channel. Just smash the subscribe button, then you press the notification bell, and I want to say that it does not cost you anything to subscribe. So let's get into it. How do you turn your pictures or your images into videos? Very simple. It's very simple. The first thing that you have to do is take good images, take good pictures. If you take good pictures, then you won't have the problem of editing your pictures and this and that. Just take good pictures. If you're an editor, well, you can do whatever you like. But if you are not, this video is especially for those photographers who are not good at photo editing. You don't have to understand Photoshop. You can do this even if you don't know anything about editing. All you need to do is just get good pictures, good images. Make sure your images are good, they are okay. You can get as many as possible, 50, 20, 100. Just capture your images. You can do this for yourself and you can do this for your customer, but it's majorly for your customers to make a lot of money, because so many customers, what we do is the traditional, we just snap pictures and take it to them. It's either we make it into album or photo book or the rest and take it to them. But there is something called digital capture. Digital capture, I term it digital capture in the sense that they are images, but they are not just still images. You put music into it, and you put music into it, then you turn it into slide, then it will be moving. It now turns to a video, because video is nothing but a moving image. So you capture the pictures, then you put image, you put music, and you put transition. Then it continue to move so that anybody can stay in their room and enjoy it. But before I continue, I want to remind you that you have to stay to the end, because there is a bonus I want to give at the end of the. Make sure you watch this video to the end. Don't miss any part. If possible, watch and watch and watch until you get it, because it's very simple. It's not difficult, but don't make it difficult. But in case you can't get it at once, just relax, watch it the first time, then watch it again. Before you watch it the third time, you will understand the concept I'm trying to make. Okay, let's continue. Once you have your images, then you have 50% of what you want to use. Then the next thing that you need to have is that you need music. You need music. Your music can be the music you have in your gallery. You have so many local music. It depends on the occasion. Let's say if it's a wedding picture, then you can look for music, wedding music that you can put, like Olukati Dowono, Diolo Luferem, you can put that as background. You have that in your gallery. And what you call gallery, maybe if you are using your phone to do this, then you have it stored in your music. If you are using the computer, then you have it stored in your music gallery. So you have the music, you have the picture. So the next thing to do now is to have something to merge it together. The things to merge it together, you can get it if you are using a phone. If you are using an Android phone, you can get it on your phone. You can use just go to Play Store, Google Play Store. Just download any app. There are so many apps. Just download an app. Just type image to video. or pictures to video, or picture images to audio. You will see different apps that you can use, and they are free. All you need to do is just upload. After downloading, upload your pictures to it, then add the music into it, and you just click done, and before you know it, it will turn the image, it will put transition, it will put music, and the music and the thing will start. There was a time I did a seminar on this. I taught people how to do it. Then the advent of smartphone has not a smartphone has not been invented. Then I use movie maker in our computer to do it, so you can do it. So there is one app that I like so much. If you are using Android, there is one app. It is called Quick. Quick. Just look for Quick when you go to App Store, Play Store, and you can download it and start doing it. It is free. You are not paying anything. If you are using iPhone, if you are the type that uses iPhone, then you have iShot in iPhone. iShot is there. iPhone is even the best because it has very good editing software that can do the job for you. It is very simple. It's not difficult. So if you are using a computer, you can go online. Just go online. You can type lumen5.com. lumen5.com. You can do anything you like in there, or you go to www.imagetovideo.com. imagetovideo.com is very good. You can upload as many pictures as possible. It does not have limitation, and you can put music. You can have music, or you can put music from that website itself. It's an online. All you need to do is you must have a data, because there is no way you want to go online if you don't have a data. You must have a data to upload what you are doing. So once you do it, just put the image. It's very simple. You don't need anybody to teach you. Click the image, upload the image, then put the music, then just click on done. Before you know it, it will do the thing. It takes some time, like some minutes, and it will get your video. Your image must have turned to video with music, and you can make a lot of money from this, from your clients. It's not enough to just give them photo book. So many people are even tired, and with what we have now, the social media thing is the in thing now. A lot of people, when they want to celebrate their birthday, they celebrate with their friend on Facebook, on Instagram. You can still make a lot of money from this. Snap their picture, do photo session with them, then you can just turn the photos, turn them to music. Just if you charge them like 5,000 for the photo session before, then for turning it to video, you can still add another 5,000, making 10,000. If you make 10,000 from 10 people, then you made 100,000. So that's is a very good way to make money. If you do it right, if you understand it and do it right, you can be making as much as 100,000 every week if you know what you are doing. And if you cannot make 100,000 every week, then you can make 50,000 or 30,000 every week, and that is an additional money, because the world is going digital now. Not everything you have to put go and print, go to the lab. Even most of the labs are not open, so due to the pandemic. So there is nothing you want to do now than you have to start thinking of how to go online. So one of the best way to take your craft, to take your skill online, especially in photography, is to learn how to turn your images into video. So I promise to give you a bonus at the end. That is for those of us who have watched till the end. But if you have not subscribed, before I give you the bonus, if you have not subscribed, just click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell, so that when next I release videos. And by the way, I have a lot of videos I plan that I want to do after this one on photography, because I want to majorly do videos on photography for now, at least for the rest of this month. I want to do photography videos so that my photographer colleagues can enjoy and make some money from this. So don't miss out. Just hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell, so that when next I release, you'll be the first to be notified. Now the bonus is simple. After getting your pictures, after getting the thing, after turning it, your image into video, you can now write it into a DVD that can be played. They can play it on DVD player. Yes, it's very simple. All you need to do is buy DVD. How much do they buy DVD? Bata 100 naira or 200 naira per copy. And if you like, you can buy a bunch. Then, after doing it, use Nero on your system. Or if you have any similar software, Picasa can also do it. You just write it. Write what you have, the video that you have created. Then you write it on the DVD. And you can, if you like, you can even put you can put a jacket on it and start giving it to your clients, and they can play. When they get home, they can play it on their DVD. They don't even have to use internet to play it. They just play it on their DVD and it will continue to play. But if you want more information on this, if you want me to teach you or to mentor you one-on-one on any area of photography, especially digital photography, you can contact me. I will link my email below. You can contact me on my email and or WhatsApp. We can talk on WhatsApp and try to work something out. Until I come your way again, remain financially smart, and don't forget, we can all succeed together.